A lot of people don't know this, but one of the main reasons and secrets I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job within just 9 months is because of this one secret. It might sound a little crazy, but this one secret changed my online business completely. But more importantly, it allowed me to stay on the forefront of the marketplace. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what this one secret is that I have never released to the public, and more importantly, how you can implement this today. So make sure you stick to the entire video because I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to know. Now, before I go into that, I want to recap what I went over in the last 2 videos. As you guys know, this is a 6-part series that I'm doing. This is the 3rd video. Now, if you haven't seen the other 2 videos, I explain why the old way of doing affiliate marketing is dead and why you need to implement the new affiliate stacking ecosystem. And there's no doubt in my mind that the affiliate stacking ecosystem is the best way to leave your soul-sucking 9-to-5 job, but more importantly, create a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Now, in video number 2, I explain why the affiliate stacking ecosystem is more effective and works better than anything I've ever seen before. So if you haven't seen video 1 and video 2 of this 6-part series, make sure to go watch those first before you continue on this video. Now, I'm really excited because in this video, I'm gonna share with you something that has totally changed my life, and it's excelled my results when I first started my online business. Now, what I love about this method is it works if you have 0 followers, 0 email lists, and if you're just starting out. This is one of the main methods I use to help my students get results insanely fast, and I've been using this for years. Now, this method is called the switch and bait method. Now, I'm gonna go into my screen and show you exactly how this works, but this is literally one of the best ways to get high ticket commissions with no followers, no email list, and you can get started today. Now, the reason why I teach the bait and switch method is because I wanna help you get results as fast as possible. I understand when you first get started, it's hard because you know you wanna build a long-term sustainable business, but you also want results as fast as possible so you can leave your job and achieve financial freedom. So the goal is to use this method to get results fast, then to implement the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Let me show you exactly how it works. Hey guys, so with this bait and switch method, we are essentially creating reviews on products that haven't been released yet. Now, I'm gonna show you why this is so powerful and why this could make you a ton of money very, very quickly. Now, I'm gonna show you this example right here, okay? And this is a proof that this works. This is a case study that I did for me, and I'm also gonna show you one of my students as well, okay? So what we're doing here, and I'm gonna go to youtube.com, and I'm gonna go to this program here called Asiago System Review, okay? Now, you can see this is my video review of this product that hasn't been released yet, okay? At least at the time, okay? Now, what I want you to understand here, okay, is you can see that this YouTube channel only has 16 subscribers, okay? And I can show you proof of that right here. You can see this is a test YouTube channel. It only has 16 subscribers, but this is what I want you guys to realize, okay? I did a review on this program that was coming out, but as you can see, I had 221 views. Now, how is that possible with a channel that had literally 0 subscribers when I came out with this video? And out of these 221 views, I had about 15% of people that bought this $3,000 program, okay? That's very powerful to know because this literally has no subscribers, okay? Now, you can create videos without showing your face. That's another story, but I wanna show you this method because it's very, very powerful, okay? Now, how do I find these products that have not been released yet, okay? You go to a place called muncheye.com and you can find these products here. Now, what's really cool is you can find products that are high ticket commissions and lower ticket. Just depends on what you wanna do. Like you can see here, this product is $2,500 and you get 50% commissions. Now, what's really cool is now I can go ahead and create a review on this product called the Loki Cycle, okay? Now the goal here is you wanna create a simple review, and the crazy thing is with this product, I didn't even have access to the actual course itself. All I did was just went over what I found online. That's all I did with this review. And I said, hey, here's the link in my YouTube description, okay? Now, the reason why I love this is because what happens is there's gonna be a lot of hype around this name right here, the Loki Cycle, okay, or any of these releases coming in the future. So what happens is people go to YouTube and they type in, you know, whatever the product is, review, right? This is how it works. Now, the bait and switch method what I do is I get people to watch my reviews, but then I say, hey, well, I have a better program, and that's when I go ahead and promote my main program I'm promoting. So you get them on the bait, which is the program they're looking for, and then you show them why your program is better. This has worked insanely well, not only for me, but one of my students here, this is actually my top student, Daniel Chow, and you can see here, he did the same thing with this program here, Ministry of Freedom, okay? Now you can see his video is number 2, and this one he did get a lot of views, but you really don't need a lot of views to make a lot of money with this method, okay? What he does is he does a review of this program here, but then he baits and switches them, right? So basically he says, this is what this program does, but I have a better option for you. Then he promotes the program he really wants to promote. Now, some of you may have heard of this method. It's called launch jacking, but we take it to the next level. We use launch jacking, meaning we're doing reviews on programs that haven't been released yet, which is a very powerful method in itself. But now we're doing the bait and switch where we can do reviews on all these products coming up, but we can now promote our main core product. Now we can put our affiliate stacking ecosystem together to make more and more money with this method. Now, what I want you guys to do is to actually put this into action. I want you guys to find a product on Montoya.com, do a little bit of research on the product, and create a YouTube review, okay? That's all you have to do. You can start getting results with this method, and it's absolutely free. Now, if you guys can do me a favor and post your video in the comments down below, I would love to see your review video, because I promise you it is going to get you results, because these products haven't been released yet and people are going to be searching for these reviews. Now guys, if you enjoyed this secret and this trick, I got some really good news for you. In my upcoming program, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, which releases in just a few days, I'm going to be going into extreme depth, and I'm going to show you even more secrets, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how to build a long-term and sustainable business that's going to pay you passively, but more importantly, help you leave your 9-to-5 job and create time and financial freedom. I'll be giving away the best I've ever released: how to get high ticket sales extremely quickly, how to automate your business so you can take off for 6 months and still generate income. But at the end of the day, who cares about the income? Because I'm going to show you how to create a life full of passion, fulfillment, and I'm going to show you how you can do that with Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. I'm going to be releasing this program in just a few days, so make sure you guys are on the early bird waitlist. If you are on the early bird waitlist, I'm going to send you a registration link before I release the actual program. I'll leave a link to the early bird registration down below, so make sure you guys go to that, because I'm going to be releasing the link to everybody the night before I release the program, so you guys have first come, first served basis. I'm only taking a small group of people that want to leave their 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. Now guys, in the next video, this is going to be the juiciest video out of the 6-part series. I'm going to show you the complete plan from beginning to end. This is the plan you need to follow to quit your job and achieve financial freedom. I'm literally going to show you every single step to make your dream a reality. I'm going to show you my affiliate stacking ecosystem and how it works. You definitely don't want to miss this video, because I'm literally going to show you the complete step-by-step game plan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys on the next video where I show you the complete game plan. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to sign up for the early bird waitlist down below, and God bless.